Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how to fix Tradingview chart not loading error in Binance application. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. If you're unable to see your trading chart in Binance, what you can do is, first of all, you need to go to your browser history and clear all the cache or previous data and restart the browser. And for the step number 2, what you can do is update your web browser. And after you're done updating it, you might be able to fix it. And for the third step, you can enable JavaScript and once again go to your browser history and clear all cache or previous data and then restart your browser. And also you need to update your web browser once again. And once you're done with this, if you're still unable to fix it, then what you can do is you can simply check for the internet connection. That might be one of the major issue, and if the internet does not seem to be the error, then you can log out of your account and then re-log in into your account, and after that you might be able to fix it. So those were the method on how you can fix your Tradingview chart not loading error in Binance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.